This is my 2013 Dodge Avenger RT, and I'm getting ready to put a cold air intake. It won't be today, but when it come in, I'm gonna be taking this whole thing off, this whole stock intake off, because it's not really functional. Because this hood, it's a Hellcat hood. It was made to extract heat from under here, but this intake is not really functional. This is kind of like blocking it when I put it down, so I need to take that off. But yeah, this is a 3.6 VVT engine, same engine inside the Challengers and Chargers. You know what I'm saying? That's a lot of motor for this small 3,600 pound car, you know. But yeah, there's something slight. It's a short video, man. They wanna get the damn weed whacking and shit whenever I'm doing my video. I'm about to crank this baby up. I don't think y'all seen the inside of my car yet, but I did an interior upgrade, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, and not too many Avengers like this, like mine, you know? Not too many like this, but I'm gonna crank it. How these all sound? Alright, thank y'all for watching this video. Something short, something brief, you know what I'm saying? To stay up to date, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. To this roof, I'm gonna wrap this whole roof, same color as the hood, the whole roof and the whole wing will be wrapped. I might hit the I might get the lights in it. I might, but they LED. That's enough, baby.